Hi Barb, I'm just going to fire up a blank page here for a second and give you a demonstration. There's one really important thing you need to do when putting an image in the page, and that is in order to make it responsive, and that is to make sure that it does not have a height or a width. You have to let first of all, if you want your image to fit into your page, let me just pull it up here, this image here, okay? Um, it's best to size the image and then put it in the page instead of having a really big image and letting the HTML scooch it down. So you'd want to have an image that's about 658 by 347. I already did the sizing to see, right? So that's probably, looks to me like it's probably sized correctly. When you drag an image onto the page, like so, you can give it your alt tag, double click on it, go to the appearance and deselect specify size. Do not have this checked, and then it'll ignore these things over here and click OK. Probably won't do anything in the page if it's sized correctly, but what happens is if you double click on an image and it has a specified size, that is a hard lined, a hard coded size. As you see right here, there's the image tag, there's the style, and it has a width and a height. This is what the Microsoft programs do. That's called an inline style. And with all things CSS, cascading means the last style applied is going to overwrite anything else. So although we have images sized to a width of 100% in the style sheet, which is one of the requirements of responsiveness, if you have a style added to the image tag in a page, it's going to override that and then drop it. Now, images that are 210 doesn't really matter because that's less than the width of the device's browser. 360 is about the maximum size image you can go and have an actual fixed size to it. Anything larger than that, you would have to make sure that there's no actual size to it. So make sure you double click, appearance, deselect specify size, click OK.